Very good evening, all of you. I welcome all of you for this live session. In this session, I would like to cover the complete quantitative aptitude, one of the crucial concept in getting every government job, private job, entrance exams, IT exams, non-IT exams. In every exam plays crucial role. So, can you please comment the answer for this given question? Like, share, comment this video to reach more people. Can you answer this question? Missing term 14 into 2 plus 1, 29 into 2 plus 1, 59 into 2 plus 1. Next 119 into 2 plus 1. 9 to the 18. 18 last digit 8. 8 plus 1 9. Last digit should be 9. What is the last digit 9? What is your answer? Comment your answer, please. Comment your answers. Can you answer this question? A and B together can complete a work in 8 days. A and B can together a work in 8 days. A alone is 60 percentage as efficient as B. That means work ratio between A and B. A is 60 percentage as efficient as B. That means if B completes 100 percentage work, in the same time A completes 160 percentage of work. Okay, percentage cancel, 0 0 cancel, 2 8 the and 2 5 the. What is the work ratio between A and B? 8 is to 5. In one day, A alone can complete 8 chocolates, B alone can complete 8 chocolates. Okay, for every day they will together complete 13 chocolates. In one day they can complete how many chocolates? 13 chocolates. And they are working for how many days here? 8 days. In one day they can complete 13. Like that they have to work for 8 days. So how many chocolates, total chocolates are there? What is the total work is there? 104 chocolates. So question is, how long A alone take to complete the task? So this 104 chocolates can be eaten by A in how many days? A capacity per day? 8. So 104 by 8. Comment your answer. Comment your answer. Approximately 13. So 13 option is not there, but answer is correct. Answer is 13 only. Here while printing some mistakes are there in the options. Okay, this is one possible answer. And next possible is A and B together can complete the work in how many days? 8 days. Here A alone 60 percentage as efficient as B. That means if A completes 100 percentage work in the given time, A alone can complete 60 percentage work only. A alone 60 percentage as efficient as B. Okay, percentage cancel. 23 the 25 the. And what is the work ratio between A and B? 3 is to 5. A can complete 3 chocolates per day. B can complete 5 chocolates per day. They together can complete 8 chocolates per day. And they can complete the work in how many days? 8 days. So in one day they can complete 8 chocolates. Like that they have to work for 8 days. 8 into 8 totally 64 chocolates are there. These 64 chocolates can be eaten by A alone. A capacity per day how much? 3. So 64 divided by 3. Okay. Comment your answer. 21 point something. Approximately you can go with option D also. Here this point is very important. A alone is 60 percentage as efficient as B. That means A capacity is 60 percentage but B capacity 100 percentage. Previously I have taken 60 percentage more than B. In that case A capacity 160, B capacity 100. It depends on how we are taking the question. I have explained you in two different ways. Can you answer this question? How many ways can the letters of the word master be arranged? How many letters are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can apply 6 factorial. 6 factorial is nothing but what? 720 ways. Is there any repetition? MASTER. There is no repetition. Directly you can apply 6 factorial. Answer is 720 ways. Like the video, everyone. Do like the video. Can you answer this question? A card is drawn. Probability of drawing a face card. Probability desired option by total options. So in a pack, totally how many cards are there? 52. Out of that, a card, only one card is we are taking. So 52 C1. Okay, 52 C1. What is the desired option? Getting a face card. Face card is Jack, Queen, King. So how many face cards are there? Totally 12 face cards are there. 12 face cards are there. So you have to write 12 C1 because we are taking one, we will get one only. So what is the final answer? 12 by 52. 12 by 52, or further also you can simplify it. The 4 3 the 4 13 the 3 by 13 also. In some cases, actually totally face cards are 12. This 12 plus A's cards are there. A card. So those are 4. Totally how many face cards? 16 also. You can, some people can write a 16 by 52 also because they will include face A's card also. If you include A's card, then the number of face cards will be 16. But without 16, only Jack, Queen, King. These are actual face cards. Can you answer this one? Ready? A invest 6,000 for 10 months. B invest 8,000 for 6 months. Profit ratio. Profit ratio is nothing but how much amount we are paying into period of time. A investing 6,000 for 10 months. B investing 8,000 for 6 months. So this is the ratio. Profit ratio is nothing but what? Investment into time period. 0 0 cancel, 6 6 cancel. Finally 10 is to 8. 10 is to 8 is nothing but what? 5 is to 4. To 5 the, to 4 the. What is the ratio? 5 is to 4. Ready? Answer for this question. 40 liters of mixture has 30 percentage of alcohol. So alcohol is equals to 30 percentage. 30 percentage nothing but 30 by 100, nothing but 3 by 10. That means total parts are 10. Out of this alcohol parts are 3. Total liquid mixture value is 40 liters. Nothing but 10 into 4. So one part is equal to 4 liters. One part 4 liters. Alcohol parts are 3 parts. So one part 4 liters. 3 parts is equals to 12 liters. 12 liters. So how much alcohol to add to make it to 40 percentage? Okay, one part is equals to 4. 30 percentage nothing but 3 parts. 40 percentage nothing but 4 parts. So one part is equal to 4. 4 into 4 totally 16. Actually 12 parts are there. Now it has to become 16 parts. How many extra parts you have to add? One part, nothing but how many liters? 4 liters. Simple question. 30 percentage nothing but 3 by 10. This 10 parts value 40. Nothing but one part is equals to what? 4 liters. One part to 4 liters. 3 parts to 12 liters. Now it has to become 40 percentage. 40 percentage nothing but 4 parts. 30 percentage nothing but 3 parts. So how many liters we have to add extra? 4 liters you have to add extra. Answer this question. SP nothing but selling price of the item is equals to 1440 with 20% profit. Find the cost price. First selling price how much? 1440. It is equals to 20% profit. Nothing but 100% cost price plus 20%. Nothing but you have to write 120%. And they are asking cost price. Cost price is nothing but what percentage? 100% is equal to X. 12 ones the 12, 12 the. So X is equals to what is the answer? Cross multiply. Can you answer this question? At 8% is simple interest, money becomes nothing but principal becomes 756 rupees in 2 years. Find principal. Find principal. Okay. Suppose principal is equal to 600. Per year 8 percentage. In 2 years nothing but 16 percentage. So what is the 16 percentage here? Okay, 16 into 6. 16 into 6 is nothing but what? 96. Okay, actual principal is 600. Interest is 96. So totally 696 only. But it has to become 756. It is cancel. Option A is cancel. If suppose option B, principal is equal to 620. 620. So per year 8 percentage. For 2 years 16 percentage. 620, 16 percentage. To 8 the to 5 the. 62 into 8 by 5. Can it leads to total amount 756? No. Take 650. And per year 8 percentage. For 2 years 16 percentage. So 650, 16 percentage. 5 ones the, 5 3 the, 5 2 the, 2 ones the, 2 8 the. 13 into 8. What is the 13 into 8 value? 80 plus 104. 104. Is it becoming 756 rupees? Is it becoming 756 rupees? It is becoming 704 rupees. And final option we are left with only 700. 700. 700 into per year it is becoming 8 percentage. So 16 percentage by 100. 16 into 7. 112. 600 plus 112. It is also not the correct answer. Can you please cross check it? Any mistake we did? I am using option verification method. You can use the formula concept also. What is the simple interest formula? Simple interest is equals to PTR by 100. PTR by 100. And total amount is equal to principal amount plus interest. Total amount is equal to principal plus what is the interest formula? PTR by 100. Okay. So A is equal to, when you take P as the common, 1 plus TR by 100. Okay. Total amount they are giving you 756. Principal amount we don't know. 1 plus time period how much? 2 years. Rate of interest 8 percentage divided by 100. Okay, 756 is equals to P into 1 plus 250 the, and next to 2 4 the, 225 the. So finally what is the value you are getting? 4 by 25. 4 by 25. 756 is equals to P into LCM is 25 plus 4, 29. Okay, P is equals to, principal is equal to 756 into 25 by 29. Roughly calculate approximately how much you will get. Approximately how much you will get. Comment your answer. Options, I already told you, options are a little bit confusing because while entering the options. Comment your answers roughly. Most suitable answer is 650. It is nearest answer. Total amount is equal to P plus I, and simple interest is nothing but PTR by 100. Can you answer this question? 5,000 at 10 percentage compound interest for 2 years. Amount is total amount is equals to total amount in the compound interest is equals to what? A is equals to P into 1 plus R by 100 whole power N. A, you have to identify total amount is equals to what is the principal amount? 5,000 into 1 plus what is the rate? 10 by 100 whole power N. 2 years. Number of years is equals to 2. A is equals to 5,000 into LCM is 10 plus 1 11. Comment your answer. I am expecting comments. 5,000 into 121 by 100. Try to use last digit technique. You can use last digit technique, digital sum concept, approximation concept. You can use lot of calculation tricks to get the quick answer. I am expecting answers from you. Okay. Five, 10, 60, 50. Can you answer this question? Average is nothing but sum of events by number of events. S is equals to average into number of elements. S is nothing but a sum total. Okay. Sum is equals to average. How much average was there? 41 into number of events. How many numbers are there? 9. So what was the total 9 numbers sum? 369. One number is removed, average becomes 39. So in that case, total is equals to average was 39. One number is removed means total numbers are 8 only. In that case, what was the total sum of 8 numbers? 312. So what was the removed number? So what I have to do? Comment your answer. Comment your answer. Very good. Can you answer this question? Answer this question. Value increases from value increases from 240 to 300. What is the percentage increase? Okay, actual number was 240, increased up to 300. So how much increased? 60. So the 60 by, from which number it is increased? From 240 to 300 increased. So you have to take the original value in the denominator. 240 into 100. You have to convert into percentage. That's why you have to do into 100. So how much percentage increased? Comment your answers. How much percentage increased? Comment your answer. 25 percentage increased. Always in the denominator, you have to take the starting value from where it is increased. Do like the video, everyone. Comment your answer. A covers a distance at 60 km per hour and returns 40 km per hour. What is the average speed? A person is going somewhere and coming back with the speeds of 60 and 40. Here the distance is same. When the distance is same, average speed is very simple. Nothing but 2xy by x plus y. X and y is nothing but speeds. Average speeds is equal to 2 into 60 into 40 by 60 plus 40, 100. So comment your answer. What is the average speed? If the distance is not same, then average speed is equals to, if the distance is not same, average speed is equals to total distance by total time. Total distance by total time. This is when distance is same. In this question, distance is same. That's why I used this one. If the distance is not same, then average speed is equals to this one. In this question, only two speeds are there, x and y. So I written 2xy by x plus y. If suppose three speeds are there, x, y, z, then what is the average speed? Comment your answer. Then write what is the average speed when you have three speeds? Average speed is equals to 3 x y z by xy plus yz plus zx. Can you answer this question? Ratio of marks of A and B is 5 is to 7. If B marks has 70 marks, then A has. So B, how many parts B has? 7 parts. 7 parts is equal to how many marks? 70. 7 parts value 70. 1 part value 10. So A has how many parts? 5 parts. 1 part value 10. 5 parts value will be, comment your answer. Requesting everyone to put this video as your WhatsApp status. It will reach to many students who are preparing for this type of examinations. Okay, can you answer this question? Speed of a boat, nothing but x, 12 kilometer per hour. Stream, nothing but y, 3 kilometer per hour. What is the downstream speed? Downstream speed is equals to, downstream speed is equals to x plus y, because boat is going in this direction, stream, nothing but flowing of water is also going in the same direction. They are both are going in same direction. Speed is increased, nothing but plus x plus y. X value 12, y value 3, 12 plus 3, totally 15. If boat is going in this direction, stream is going in this direction, they are opposite. Speed is reduced. That's why x minus y. That is called upstream speed. Upstream speed. Can you answer this question? A solid cylinder of radius 7 centimeters, height 10 centimeters is melted, recast into spheres of radius 3.5 centimeters. How many spheres are formed? How many spheres are formed? What is the volume of cylinder? Pi r square h. So first a solid cylinder is there. You have to melt it to form recast into spheres. And what is the sphere volume? 4 by 3 pi r square h. use these two formulas to get the answer. For wait a minute, here it is a sphere only na, here it is a sphere, here it is sphere, volume is equals to 4 by 3 pi r cube, 4 by 3 pi r cube. This is the volume of cylinder, this is the volume of the sphere. So this cylinder is converted into spheres. So how many spheres you can get? First you have to identify the volume of the cylinder. Volume of the cylinder is what? Pi r square. What is the radius? 7 square, 49, into what is the h? 10. So volume of the cylinder is equals to 490 pi. 490 pi. So it has been converted into spheres. How many spheres are there? So you can write 4 by 3 pi. And what is the radius of the sphere? 3.5. 3.5 can be converted into 7 by 2 also, na? So 7 by 2 whole cube. How many spheres are formed? Easily you can identify them. So answer it quickly. This one cancel. Comment your answers please quickly. 3 into 490 by 4 into 4 into 7 cube, 343 by 8. By 8. By 8 you can convert into 8 also. Comment your answers. 4 ones the 4 2 the. Try to tell the answer at least approximate. A cylinder is there that has been converted into spheres. So first you have to identify the volume of the cylinder. So I given you volume of the cylinder formula, volume of the sphere formula. How many spheres are there? So total volume of the cylinder by volume of one sphere. Can you comment this one? HCF of 72 and 120. First you have to take a small number 72. 72 is dividing 120? No. So 72 is not the HCF. And 72 next to immediate factor is what? 36. 36 is dividing 120? No. So 36 is not the HCF. So next immediate factor of 72, immediate factor of 72, 24. 24 can divide 120? Yes. 24 can divide 120, 24 can divide 72. So what is the HCF? 24. Comment your answer. Comment your answer. A student's marks increased from 56 to 72. What is the percentage increase? Similar question I explained you already. I'm expecting comments from this question. I already told you this type of question in this video. So please answer this question. Can you answer this question? When square is converted into root, you will get two values. Either plus value or minus value also. Can you answer this question? Sum of interior angle of pentagon. Sum of interior angles of triangle, quadrilateral, or whatever, the answer might be related to n minus 2 into 180 degrees. N is nothing but number of sides. In the pentagon, how many sides are there? And substitute in the place of n, comment your answer. Pentagon 5 sides na. So in place 5 minus 2 nothing but 3. Answer is if the same question is asked for hexagon, comment your answer. Comment your answer. Very good. 720. Can you comment this question? Log 10. 1000 can be written as 10 cube, and this 3 will come here. 3 into log 10 base 10. So log 10 base 10 value 1 only. So what is the answer for this question? Comment your answer. I'm expecting comments from everyone. Ready? Answer the questions quickly. Quick answers I'm expecting from you. Can you comment this question? A boat takes 6 hours to travel 36 kilometers upstream. So speed is nothing but what? Distance by time. So what is the distance? 36 kilometers. What is the time? 6 hours. So what is the upstream speed is equals to 6 kilometer per hour. Upstream speed nothing but what? X minus y. X minus y is equal to 6. And 4 hours to travel the same distance in downstream. Downstream is equals to speed is nothing but what? Distance by time. What is the distance? Same distance covered, 36 kilometers only. But the time is how much? 4 hours. So what is the speed? 9 kilometer per hours. So downstream speed is nothing but what I told you, x plus y. What is the x plus y value? 9 kilometer per hour. They are asking you find the speed of the stream. Stream is nothing but what? Y value. You have to identify the value of what? Y. So simply x plus y is equal to 9. X minus y is equal to 6. Okay. Plus y minus y cancel. X 2x. 9 plus 6 nothing but 15. 15 and x is equals to what? 7.5. Okay, so x value is equal to 7.5. X minus y is equal to 6 na. X value 7.5 na. Then what is the value of y? Comment your answer. Can you comment this question? What is 15 percentage of 200? 15 percentage means divided by 100. Half means into 200. Comment your answer. What is 15 percentage of it? Okay. Can you answer this question? A shopkeeper sells an item for 840 at a loss of 20 percentage. Cost price is 100. Loss means minus. How much loss? 20 percentage loss. So 100 minus 20 percent nothing but 80 percentage. What is the cost price? Cost price is nothing but what percentage? 100 percentage is equal to X. Percentage cancel. 0 cancel. Okay. Can you answer this question? 8 ones the 0, 8 5 the. What is the answer? Comment your answer quickly. Comment your answer. Very simple question. Speed, distance by time. Comment. Very simple question. Comment. +4 +6 +8 +10. Comments your answers quickly. Ratio of boys to girls is 3:4. Total, if the total is 140, how many boys are there? So 3 parts boys, 4 parts girls. Totally 7 parts. 7 parts value totally 140. Then 140 is equals to 20. How many boys are there? How many boys parts are there? 3 parts are there. 1 part to 20, 3 parts. Answer this question. What is the simple interest on 5,000 at 8 percentage for 2 years? For 1 year it is 8 percentage. For 2 years it is 16 percentage. So in this 5,000, what is the 16 percentage? Comment your answer. Can you solve this one? Solve 48 divided by 0.6. 48 by 0.6 can be converted like 6 by 10. This 10 will go to the numerator. 48 into 10 by 6. Comment your answer. Okay. Next question. Can you answer this question? The average of 5 numbers is 18. What is their sum? Sum is nothing but average into number of elements. Sum is equals to what was the average? 18. And number of, how many numbers are there? 5. So 18 into 5. What is the sum of the numbers? Comment your answer. Can you answer this question? Simple one. Everyone comment this one. Simple one na. Into 2, into 2, into 2, into 2. Comment your answer. Can you answer this one? Selling price is equal to 540. Profit 20%. Profit means 100% cost price plus 20% profit. Nothing but 120%. Cost price is nothing but 100% is equal to X. 0 0 cancel, 0 0 cancel. Okay. 2 6 the 2 5 the 6 1s the 6 9 the. Comment 5 into 90. Comment your answer. What is 3 by 4 of into nothing but into 64? Okay. Comment your answer. Comment your answer. Very easy. Square root of 196. Comment. Speed. Speed is nothing but distance by time. Comment. Comment, what is 25 percentage of 280? 25 by 100 into 280. Comment. 5 square plus 7 square. Comment. Simplify. 3 by 5 of 350. Comment. 3 by 5 into 350.